fertility journey is challenging and often isolating. Your journey needs support, not more pressure. Introducing the Fertile Heart Deck. Ta-da! 50 relatable affirmation cards for your fertility journey. These cards offer straightforward affirmations and reflections to help you manage anxiety, reconnect with your body, and find calm when you need it most. This is grounded and relatable support for the real ups and downs of trying to conceive. This deck is for you if you need practical support for fertility-related anxiety. Want affirmations that feel real, sound real, not forced, and need grounding during the uncertainty of trying to conceive. It is a tool for every stage of your journey: hope, grief, uncertainty, and everything else in between. Inside the deck, you will find daily affirmations to stay centered, intentions that meet you where you are emotionally, reflection prompts to reconnect with your body, and helpful reminders that you are more than enough. The practice is simple. Pick a card when you need support, before appointments, after difficult news, or to start your day with intention. Put the card somewhere you can see it, by your water bottle, on your desk, on your bedside table. And the simple practice is pick a card, read it, take a breath. So a simple daily practice for the hard days and the hopeful ones. And so pull a card right now. So empty out the cards, have a little shuffle, little shuffle, and then I'm going to pick one and see what we get. So I'll turn it to you because I won't look at it that way. Pull a card, this will do. One, bang. Put it down, and what did I get? Abundant body. Sit in or imagine a physical garden. My body is like an abundant garden, and I tend it with love, cultivating the seeds of hope with care. See it, imagine it, and it will manifest. That's a lovely card. So, reconnect with your body. Find your calm, the Fertile Heart Deck. Cultivating hope, one card